intentionally make a loop here. So this might confuse the reader whether it is E and I. Sometimes most of us just write U like in print letters and just leave it. When there are no connecting tails before or after this, you won't be able to connect the letters before and after it. And cursive writing is all about connecting letters. Most of us just happen to write M, U or N in this manner. So in this case, we are unable to identify whether it is M, N or U. So take care of these three things while making the letter U. That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!